Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to change your Starbucks account password. Open the website starbucks.com, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username or email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see your account profile at the upper right corner of the screen. Click on Account. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Settings. Click on Settings. On this page, you will see a section for Password. Beside it, you will see an Edit button. Click on Edit. Now enter your current password on the first field. Then, enter the new password you wish to use on the second field. After entering the necessary information, click on Save Password. That's how you change your Starbucks account password. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.